Hey guys, what's up? Sid here with another video on my RC cars, and we have the TPU 3D printed wing mount on there. The centerpiece, of course, is a PLA that has been printed. This is black piece is a PLA print, whereas this is the TPU, which goes in from the back and to the back to the out. We're going to test it today and see if it holds up. There's a lot of debate online on 3D printing for RC cars, if it holds up or not, but today we're going to see if it does. Let's do some wheelies. Oh, just love the springtime view in Amsterdam, guys. If you haven't been in Amsterdam, you should definitely come here. And there's a lot to see more than the center of Amsterdam. Yeah, everything is fine. Let's try to do some jumps. We have a small ramp here. That was a nice jump. It's all good. This thing can take a hit, I tell you. Love that this thing is so low to the ground. Oh, that was a cool jump. Let's try one more. Oh. Did we break something? Oh no, we didn't. The old wing mount would have given up at this point. But as you can see, the TPU print is really good and flexible. Let's see. Bump right on the wing, and you can see the things on the shock mount. Yeah, holding up quite well, man. That's what we like to see. Okay, taking the jump for the back. Oh yeah, landed it. Okay, come on. So guys, this wing mount seems almost bulletproof, because the stock mount would have given up by now. No breakages whatsoever. This is where we broke the wing last time. Let's try to jump this. It's a bit tricky because the slope is not straight. It's kind of angled outwards. So if you don't catch it at the right angle, you're gonna be sent on your ass. All the A arms, B arms seem okay. The rods seem okay. TPU wing mount seems okay as well. Very good. Let's reach the 7. Look at it go. Such a beast. Such a beast. We're not even going full throttle at the moment, guys. It's like half throttle. Stays so much more grounded, unlike the Outcast. It's a real hoot. Let's do one more jump. That's a nice one. Two more. Everything seems fine, guys. No breakages to report. Armma Kraton. This here is a big jump. In avoiding this since the wing mounts broke. So let's see if we can do any better now with the TPU wing mount. We have a long run up that we can take. So that line this jump up. I don't know what kind of landing that was. Let me try again. Oh my god. So I'm doing this for a durability test, guys, and I'm not an awesome driver, let's say. I'm an average noob RC driver. So if I don't break it, it means you guys won't break it as well. Let's do one more jump. We're gonna call it a day after a few more. Just saved it. Nice. That was a good jump. I think we lost the battery. That will be it for today, guys. I think we have a very hot motor, a very hot ESC, which needs to cool off. And thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Hey guys, if you liked my content, please subscribe and ring the bell icon, like, comment and share the video as well. Thanks.